the door burst open, and out came 100 animals, 100 birds, and 100 children. Fox entered and shut all the doors and all the windows. The little blue house began to grow very fast and so tall that it almost ran into the sun. Suddenly the house shook from side to side. Then everything came tumbling down with a mighty crash. They scattered like petals of a blue flower. All the children and animals and birds cried and scurried for cover. In a few moments they raised their heads. The house was not there. Only the sign saying Blue Seed was there. By the sign lay Fox. He had fainted from fright. I cannot tell what you learn from this story, but it talks about a building, treasure, dedication, nurture, and selfishness. I will not say anything more on it. I will leave it as that. Can I ask something? And I want an honest answer. I have come too far to turn back now on our long road together. We shall discuss this